Today is July 31st, 2023. Another hot day. So I'm giving my chickens their favorite treat, which is frozen corn, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries with a bunch of ice. And here they go. They love it. I'm going to set up a live stream too so you guys can see them whenever you want. I haven't named them yet. Fill in the comment section some good names for 4. I'd like to get names that kind of go together, like Real Housewives names. I could do Kyle and Luann and Bethany. Anyway, looking for some good suggestions, something kind of funny, definitely feminine. All right, that's it for now. Maybe just another close-up on their ice.